I'm gonna give you guys tea, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Essie Michelle. If you're not new, welcome back. We are focusing on how to edit your Instagram photos from photos that you've taken on your iPhone. Recently, I posted a photo, from when I was on vacation, and I got a lot of inquiries about how I edited the photo because it was literally taken right on my iPhone. Ooh, is my flash on? It was taken right on my iPhone XR. So it is really simple to take photos actually on your iPhone and make them look really professional. The photos that I took actually looked somewhat better than some of the photos I even took on my professional Sony Nex a6000 camera. So before I get into that, if you want to actually really learn how to take amazing photos with a real DSLR camera and actually edit it like the pros, then you definitely want to check out Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes that are for people that are inspired to learn more and just build their creativity. As you guys know, I'm always chatting about Skillshare, and Skillshare sponsored this video, so thank you so much. And what I really like about the platform is that you can get thousands and thousands of learnings on that platform. If you're into photography, illustration, videography, almost anything under the sun, you can get lessons and taught by some amazing people. So I'm actually in a new class. It's called Portrait Photography, Shoot and Edit Instagram Worthy Shots. And it is by Jessica Kobesi. I think that's how you pronounce her last name. But it's actually really interesting because I followed her on YouTube a long time ago because I was so intrigued with how she took the photos, styled the shoot, the creative, the editing. It's just honestly amazing. So it's so cool to see her on Skillshare teaching her knowledge, and it's specifically curated learning, so it's learning like for you. You don't have to worry about ads like you do on YouTube, and it's about like $10 a month. But if you click the link down below, my first 1,000 subscribers get a free premium membership trial, so that's really good. And like I said, they have tons and tons of classes by pros like Jessica that are literally teaching you their secrets. And even Jessica said in her intro, what she learned, it took her 9 years to learn, she's teaching all of us on Skillshare now, so that's dope. It's so amazing. So definitely check that out. Click the link in the bio. So now we are going to go back to the basic editing. Mind you, like I said, if you want to learn the real deal, go to Skillshare. If you want to learn some basic stuff, you can just watch the rest of this video. Okay, so I'm screen recording my phone so you guys can see everything that I'm doing. So I'm going to my photos and videos section, and I'm actually going to Facetune because we're going to start there today. So this is from the same day. Like I said, I took this with, well, Mo took this with my iPhone XR, and as you can see, it's pretty good to begin with because it's an iPhone. What's really, really important with everything you do, no matter how amazing the camera is, the lighting is very, very important. So because it was natural daylight, we actually placed ourselves, like we took the recliner chair that we were sitting on, and we placed it in a way where the sun would be hitting me directly, but it wasn't too harsh. So like I said, lighting is very, very important when you are taking photos, especially with your iPhone. You can adjust a little bit, but it's not as amazing as like a Canon or a Sony. Okay. So this is it. It's pretty basic. It's a basic photo. So to begin with, I like to just do a little bit of things like I'm gonna smoothen out my under eyes and a little bit of my face. As you can tell, you can see the difference. I've smoothened that out a little bit just so that I look more poppin' in this photo. Then I'm gonna definitely go in and whiten my, actually no, I don't need to whiten my teeth. I smoothen like just a little bit of my body, all that good stuff. All right, boom. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So also, normally I will change like the lighting, the S-curve, and sometimes I'll do like a cool tone. So we're just gonna do a little bit of lighting, but once we get into Lightroom, it's literally going to take over. And the thing about Lightroom is the presets. So I'm gonna give you guys tea on where I get my presets from, so stay tuned so you can hear that. Okay, so now I am in Lightroom. So now I need to open up that photo. So here we go. So this is where all the magic happens. It takes a basic iPhone photo and makes it look like what you guys saw from my trip. Oops, I closed out. So I went and I bought a whole bunch of presets prior to the trip, but I found that going through all of them, I found one set that I really, really liked. So I bought a bunch from 123presets.com, where I've gotten, I think I spent $45, but I got a bunch of presets, and you'll see that some actually don't work with your skin tone. And then you'll also see that you might find something really, really good, and it's not like you could just leave it as is. You do have to adjust and edit that preset a little bit, and then I save it, and then I like kind of make it my own. So after I'm done editing this, I'll also show you how to download the presets onto your phone. Okay, so I have some presets already. So first one's Bali. I don't like it. It's not it for me. I think it's the red for me. I don't like that. So I'm just going through. This one's too dark. This one's called IG Style. That's not really what I'm into. This is Italy. I actually got this preset from Skylar. I think it's Skylar Madison. I could be wrong. It's beautiful, but it's not quite what I want for this one. So I'm just going through. So my favorite preset from 123 presets is the pack where I was able to find Miami. So this is what I chose for that photo, and as you can tell, it takes my iPhone photo and turns it up 100 notches. So I go between Miami and Miami 2. As you can see, here's the photo. So let me not zoom into my armpits, but as you can see, it's a little bit strong and it's a little bit grainy, so I don't leave this as is. I go to details and I decrease the sharpening because it was really strong. As you can tell, it decreased it a little bit. Then I click effects and I decrease the grain. Then I go back to details. So this is another thing that I love, and I didn't know about this until I started really playing in Lightroom, but I love increasing the noise reduction. So look at my photo now. It's pretty smooth and stuff, but when you increase, I'm just gonna go all the way up so you can really see the difference. Do you see that? It just made my skin look like butter. Like, it made me look so smooth, and I didn't have to go in like smoothing everything. I just like raised it. But that's, to me, this is a lot. So we already decreased the grain. Yep. Okay. So here you can change the color and stuff. I like the temperature and the tint right now. I don't want to do anything, but sometimes you want your skin to look more vibrant or saturated. But like, you see how like it changes, and it looks like, this is kind of like how it looked originally. But I like changing the shadows a little bit because I feel like this is too high. It was on 100%, so we're just gonna lower it to like just a little bit, tiny little bit. Yeah. And then I'm gonna increase the blacks on here so the blacks really shine. The whites are fine. Okay. And there we go. So there we go. This is the photo right now. So this would be like what I would post. But because I don't like the people in the background, I'm gonna save this photo. All right, so we saved the photo in Lightroom. So now it's time to get them out of there and in InInLight. Okay, so this is gonna be just like a really simple edit for me in InInLight. Normally it's a lot. Normally I'm able to really like clone people, change things. It's really like Photoshop at your fingertips. But this is gonna be a really simple edit because though there's so much water, so it's really simple. So you're just going to want to, zoom into your people, zoom into the couple, and you want to click tools. After you click tools, you want to click heal, anything you need to get rid of. So you just like paste one section of the water over another section of water. And what I like about this heal is you're able to fuse things and change the percentage, or feather things and change the percentage. So it's really it really helps you make sure that it looks perfect. And then I like to like wipe away any like excess that doesn't make it look like it's natural. and then boom, like there you have it. It takes 2 seconds, especially for that one. That was a really simple edit, but now the people in the back are gone, and that's that. Really, really simple. It's all about the presets. So now, like I said, like I promised, I'm gonna go on and show you guys. So I use 1, 2, 3 presets. So they make presets for your desktop and mobile. Great. So they have like different preset packs. They have the light and airy pack. This isn't sponsored by them. They have a creamy pack, New York. They have a lot of things that are like aesthetically, they have an aesthetic pack. They have a lot of things that are aesthetically pleasing for you, but you have to remember, you need to get a pack that looks good for your skin tone. So that's why I forgot the pack that I bought, but whatever pack I bought has Miami in it. Oh, so no, I bought the Miami pack. So that is, so I bought a whole bunch of packs, but the Miami pack seems to be like the best one for my complexion. And as you saw, I edited it a little bit. But yeah, so you just want to go through and before you buy a preset pack and just like look at how things are edited. And me as a Black woman, I like to make sure I see a Black person edited in a photo before I buy the pack. So once I saw her in this, I was like, okay, this will look good on my skin complexion, because we all have different skin complexions and different edits look better on different people. So yeah, Miami is my favorite, especially for outdoor shoots. When I do indoor, I normally do like papaya. It just depends. So it all depends on your lighting and your location. So look at all these presets. These are all the ones that I bought. If you guys want to look and see that, these are all the presets that I bought. I bought Clean, IG Style, Sweet Home, Miami, Rainbow. I just bought a whole bunch of stuff, but like I said, Miami's my favorite because of my skin complexion. And then also after you edit a preset in Lightroom, you're able to copy that and just paste it on your other photos. So after I edited the one the way that I did, I was able to just copy that and paste it on the other ones that were taken at the same day, the same time. That's why I always have like a carousel of photos that look really similar. So you just want to click the preset on your phone and it says download. So you just click one of them. It shows you like how to download it pretty much. So yeah, it's really simple. It shows you like what you needed to do to download it. Let's see. So I just click it, like I clicked download, and then I clicked download here. So now as you can see, it's downloaded on my phone. Then you click that and then you press the up button and then you want to click Lightroom. So you can either launch it in Lightroom now or just click got it and then go check on it later. So I'll just click launch in Lightroom now so I can see it. But because I already have it, it's already, okay, so here we go. It's right here. So what you want to do is just save, you want to create a preset from that. So I like to title it Miami again, because I already have it. Save it, and that's it. So now it's saved, and now when you want to go onto a photo, you click presets, and there it is, Miami again. Boom. Wait. Boom, there it is, Miami again. All right, so yeah, it's pretty simple. If you have any questions, please put it down below. If you get your presets and you edit photos, definitely let me know. Share them with me on Instagram at essie.michelle, and I would just like to see them. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please put down below. Like I said, I love those presets. And yeah, I just wanna see what photos you take with your iPhone. Bye, guys.